What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be changing the power steering fluid on a Toyota Camry. It's going to be a simple process. We're just going to jack up the front and then we're going to suck up the transmission fluid of the reservoir. This is the fluid that we're going to be using. It's Valvoline full synthetic transmission fluid. This is the transmission that this fluid is going to be compatible with. As you can see right here, Toyota Type T, 3 and 4 and WS. This car takes T4 transmission fluid, so this is a great option, very cheap, $18 at Walmart, and this just gets the job done. So let's get started. Okay, so to replace the power steering fluid, I have the car jacked up with the wheels off the ground so I can move them back and forth very easily. And the tool that you're gonna need is only a turkey baster or something like that. I have, this is for babies suction, and I have a piece of a tube on it at the end of it. So what we're gonna do is, I'm just gonna lay this right here, a bucket. I'm gonna undo the power steering. This is the same, it takes a transmission fluid, so I use the same, this what I use right here, the Max Life full synthetic. Okay, so I'm gonna put this to the side. I am gonna use a paper towel in between, so if I drip, so I'm gonna suck as much as I can. Look, somebody used the normal power steering fluid because this takes transmission fluid, and this is clear. Look, this is not red, so the transmission system, I mean the power steering system, is not happy with this fluid. So I'm gonna try and get it as much as I can replaced. So I'm gonna suck everything out and fill it with a new fluid all the way to the reservoir, and then turn the car on, turn it lock to lock, and then do it 3, 4, 5 times until I see the fluid red and clear, just how new transmission fluid is. If you're curious, it says right here on the cap, where down here, use Dixron transmission fluid. Okay, so I'm gonna finish doing this. Okay, so now I'm gonna fill it with the fluid, a little bit, overfill it just a little bit. Okay, now I turn the car on, and then I turn the steering wheel lock to lock with the wheels off the ground, so the power steering pump and the rack and pinion not doing too much work, so they can the pump can pump the old fluid, mix it with the new one, so we can get it replaced one more time. 3 or 4 times should take care of it. You should get at least like 80% of the fluid out. Once you do that, that should be good enough. You don't need it to do a full flush on it. This is a lot easier and less mess, and you don't need any specialty tools or anything like that. So I'm gonna turn it lock to lock 4 or 5 times like this, very easy, with the wheels off the ground, and we just do it and all over and all over again and again until the fluid looks clean, so I can have peace of mind with my car lasts a long time. Okay, see, it's mixing with the old fluid and it's becoming clear. Okay, so now after only this is the 3rd time, look how clear the fluid is now. It's just like brand new. So I'm done. I'm just gonna suck these out, put new fluid in the reservoir, make sure it's up to level, and it's done. It's over. It's done. Check this out. It doesn't take much. Like one cord's gonna get it done for you. Okay, now since it's up to level, all new fluid, just wipe around, make sure everything is clean, good to go. Put the cap on, and you are done. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.